So friends, if you are using Kotak 811 application and if you want to know how to create UPI ID in this particular application, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Kotak 811 application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Enter the MPIN and complete the login process. Now once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. There are multiple options present on the home screen, but if you want to create UPI ID, then initially you will get an option of create UPI ID over here. Now it is showing me an option to reactivate my UPI ID because I was using my UPI ID in Kotak 811 application. But if you are going to use the UPI ID, or if you are going to create UPI ID for the first time, then you will get create UPI ID option over here. So all you have to do is just simply tap on that option, and within few minutes it will create the UPI ID. So if I tap on reactivate UPI ID for now, you can see what it is doing. It has reactivated my UPI ID. So my mobile number is my UPI ID. Also, next thing is, if you want to check your UPI ID, then in that case you can just simply tap over here. Basically you can check out the UPI ID over here, and if you tap on it, you can copy the UPI ID. If you tap on this QR code option over here, it will take you to the next page, and again you can check out your UPI ID, you can check out the QR. If you want to share this, you have share option as well, and you can also download your QR. This is one way to go to this particular page. Another way is you can just simply tap on Kotak 811 logo, and again it will take you to the QR page. Now the next thing is, if you want to create another UPI ID, then in that case you can tap on add UPI ID, and it will give you a pop-up screen like this. You can either use your name, your mobile number, or any other thing, and also you can use add Kotak 811 or add Kotak or add YBL. You can choose whichever option you want, and once you create new UPI ID, you can just simply tap on proceed, and as said, you can just create new UPI ID. Now if in case you want to unlink, or if you want to do any other changes related to your UPI ID, or if you want to check anything about your UPI ID, just tap on this three dot option. You can check out your UPI request, you can manage auto payment and mandate, you can check out all your UPI transaction, you can also block and unblock it. Other thing is, if you go to menu and if you go to UPI payment and settings, and if you tap on this three dot option, you have an option to unlink account from UPI as well. So if you are not going to use it, you can just unlink it. And as I said, if you want to reactivate it, you get a reactivate option on the home page itself over here. So yeah, that's how simple it is to create UPI ID in Kotak 811 application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.